The big jobs report is coming out at the end of the week. Let's bring in Joe Tegay of Equity Armor Investments. Joe, I know you're watching that ADP number.
Yeah, and of course, we had the ADP number, maybe some underlying, under the surface, maybe some positive economic data. Really fascinating to see Wednesday. The market got a really big lift. Of course, we're all watching that. There's a lot of news in general going on in the market. We can't forget, of course, we had the end of the quarter. Maybe there was some window dressing. September is usually seasonally the worst month of the year. October, seasonally, that's the most volatile month of the year. So we're watching all that. Of course, we're having no short of interesting markets. We certainly are living in interesting times, to say the least. Now, under the surface, on Wednesday, we actually got stimulus news. People were more optimistic about a stimulus package coming. Stop me if you've heard that before, but maybe hope springs eternal. People are expecting some sort of stimulus. And we also got good vaccine news. And fascinating to see that happening on the both at the same time yesterday, which really meant all systems go. Throughout this rally this summer, good stimulus news has been good for growth stocks, good for tech names. That's really led the rally most of the way. And then you get good vaccine news. That was good for value names. They caught up those days. And to see both of those events happening on the same day really saw the market rising in unison. So really interesting to watch how that plays out. Now, does that mean more volatility ahead? Of course, October in an election year, 2020 has been full of surprises. The only thing I would be surprised about in October in 2020 is if there is not a surprise.
Thank you for the Trader Talk, Joe.
Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.